Roosevelt Island, which is an island just east of Midtown Manhattan between Manhattan and Queens. And the more typical way of getting here is by a tram ride that leaves from 60th Street in Manhattan and takes you here. It's really cool because how many tram rides do you get to go on in your life? Me, not many. But I took the ferry here because of coronavirus. I wanted some open air transportation. Roosevelt Island is just east of Manhattan. You get this really great view of the city and you can see buildings like the Chrysler Building and the United Nations, and it's just gorgeous. And it's not as populated as Manhattan because it's a little difficult to get to, which makes it a much more comfortable place to be during the time of Corona. As you may have guessed, Roosevelt Island is named after our longest serving president, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, and the southern tip of Roosevelt Island has a Four Freedoms Park that's dedicated to him. Beautiful and haunting attractions here on Roosevelt Island is this smallpox hospital that was built in the mid-1800s. Now, even though they had a vaccine for smallpox during that time, there would still be outbreaks in the city, and immigrants coming in would come in with smallpox, so they used this hospital to quarantine them. It's now dilapidated and you can't get in. You can see there's gates around it, but it's still really amazing to check out. Another interesting and scary historical site here on Roosevelt Island is this building called the Octagon. It now serves as luxury apartments, but it was once an insane asylum that had really terrible treatment of its patients. All the details of the horrors that went on inside were revealed in an expose novel by Nellie Bly called 10 Days in a Madhouse. The television series American Horror Story Asylum was also loosely based on Nellie Bly's experience here. At the very northern tip of the island, there's a lighthouse, which is really cute. Enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more socially distant content like this, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!